idiot.
Viewer discretion advised.
Hey, Tabby.
Around the world, thousands of animals are abused or neglected each year. This isn't one of them, but she might be if she don't hurry up and start acting right. There goes the mail lady. She just delivered my order of USPS postal boxes. As you can tell, I got 2 large flat rates and 2 boxes of number 7s. Obviously I'm not talking about this one, but a lot of these boxes can be reused as shipping boxes, and they're a hard size to get. So I usually order 2, like when I use this one up and I'm halfway through with this one, I'll order some more. I actually run out of these before I remember to order any, and I had about 4 number 7s left. So I just went ahead, and I won't need any more for 6-8 months. So, but gotta find a place to put them. They might be free, but you still gotta find a place to put them. Well, they're talking about reopening the country, and can't say I blame them. I imagine a lot of people have run out of money by this time. I know if I wouldn't do an eBay, if I'd been doing my regular job like I was 2 decades ago, yeah, I'd be feeling the pinch. So yeah, I can quite understand everyone's concern, and I have a feeling this might. Well, I don't think it might. I think it absolutely, definitely will bring an end to my puzzle business, as I knew it would. I knew this was a temporary thing. What does it call it? Temporary uptick in the market. So I believe I rode that horse as long as I could. Still selling puzzles, a couple every day. But I was starting to put together the video clips, and I noticed that one of them, I couldn't find one of them. And it was the one where I got the Dollar Tree puzzles. And the clips where I went through them was there, but the clip about the shipping wasn't. Or at least I couldn't find it. Anyway, the thing about the Dollar Tree and buying off their website, it's great and all, as long as you either A, live in California, or B, you can get it delivered to your store for free. Either of those 2 options is great, but if neither of those 2 options is available, don't buy more than a case at a time. I bought 3 cases of puzzles, and they turned that into 3 separate shipments. And of course that cost more than if they had just taken those 3 boxes, put some tape around them, and shipped them as one unit. That would have been a lot cheaper. So the fact that they're not doing that automatically is disturbing. It would seem any company that considered themselves a professional company would combine shipping as a matter of course. So yeah, I'm glad I got the puzzles, and that was the only way I could get the Disney puzzles. Not too thrilled about the 51% increase in price, but it is what it is. Hopefully this clip doesn't self-eradicate like the last one did. There's my buddy Jethro. Hey Jethro, is he coming back? He is not coming back. Okay, I'll holler at y'all freaks and geeks later. And my sales to Puerto Rico went way up as soon as I dropped, or as soon as I added my discount, my eBay shipping discount. as soon as I added that to my listings so that my customers will get that discount and be able to get more affordable postage. Yeah, the sales of Puerto Rico, they just took off. And the great thing about that is that they're paying like $10 and a quarter or $10.56 for shipping, and I'm going through Pirate Ship and getting it for $9 and a quarter or $9.56. So those few cents that I save on that postage to the packages to Puerto Rico helps offset some of the 10% eBay charges on postage. So just thought I'd mention that. Passing along the shipping discount to my customers has increased sales. Puerto Rico is a territory of the United States, and as such you can mail to Puerto Rico and Guam and all these other places using the United States postal system. I know that there are YouTubers out there that say you have to use the global shipping program to ship to Puerto Rico. That is false. That is nothing but a lie. If you don't know no better than that, you shouldn't be giving out advice on YouTube or anywhere else. That's nothing but damn fact there, son. I was looking for stuff to make my penny sorting machine here at Selmer Hardar, and I didn't find it what I wanted. They did have light bulbs on sale. I use those in the bathroom vanities. And if you remember these Minute Minders kitchen things by Lux, I had bought 5 or 6 of these for $1 a piece about 3-4 months ago, and I've sold 2 of them for $30 a piece. And they had this one, and then they had this one, which is a long ring 60-minute timer. Apparently there's a little bit better version of that, and they were on the shelf. They were not on the clearance box. So I took them up and asked him, and he let me have them for $1 a piece, no tax. So I was happy to get them. I ended up paying $1 a piece for the light bulbs, but so what? I mean, I got $40 in profit in these 2 ringers here, at least. So, alright, just thought I'd tell you, found something, not what I was looking for though. Well, I spent $45. It says total savings $70, but I got Hatchimals at 34 cents, and got the coronavirus. I got some dispenser at 59 cents, which they're supposed to have been 70% off, and there was 99 cents. So 70% off that, it should have been 30 cents. Of course, 99 cents was probably the, when I came, I've screwed this all up. When I came into this Walgreens, all the Easter stuff was 50% off. All right. And by the time I finished picking up my prescriptions, everything had been marked down to 70% off. So the 99 cents on the Pez dispensers was probably the original discount. Anyway, I'm not going to go back in there and argue with them. 2 of the Pez dispensers are selling for $11. So anyway, some of the stuff that was on discount was like laundry detergent, and stuff I'll use myself. So anyway, just stopped in at Walgreens, found a little bit of discount stuff. Take it home with me. Just left a scratch and dent. Got a little bit of stuff. I'll show it to you here in a while. This sweetheart over here has been looking for her wallet for 15 minutes. Poor thing. This is a little bit of the stuff I got at the scratch and dent grocery store. You can tell the original price was $1.99. I probably saw them there months ago and passed them up at that price. I was scanning barcodes and I found these for 99 cents. I guess you can tell they're absolutely filthy. They were at the on the bottom shelf, and the dust everybody kicked up on the floor just settled on them month after month after month, and they appear to be selling. People have them for more, but they appear to be selling for about $5.50 plus shipping. So yeah, I don't know how many I got, but you can, I don't know if they use different stickers or those are so old that they've faded. But either way, I got to remove all the stickers and clean them up, and then we'll go over the next item. Cleaned up nice after quite a bit of work. I want to list them as not just combination bike locks, but list them as patio security locks. People apparently lock up their patio furniture, keep people from running off with it. Got quite a few of them, still haven't counted them. But I did get them cleaned up. Took about a half hour. The stickers didn't want to come off, even with my Scotty peeler. They were real old. But I did get them off and use some lift off to get the residue. And considering how bad the packages looked when I got them, they're not too horrible. So the great thing is we make one listing for all these locks. There's 4 more off screen over there. Yeah, and just put them in a crate, and as they sell, take them and put them in an envelope, put a label on it, ship it out. Easy peasy. Alright, I'll get back with you with the next item. Well, these are the next 4 items. It's a Holmes portable sprayer, kind of a cheap little something you slip onto a tub faucet. Probably doesn't work very well. There was only 3 of them. If there'd been 10 of them, I probably wouldn't have got any of them. They were only $2.99. So was the ink. Ink expired in 2019. Still should be able to get about 15 bucks for it. These are selling between 17, like $16.43 to $17 with free shipping. So it's not going to be a whole lot of profit there. But, you know, there's only 3 of them, so take a picture, list 1, quantity 3. And I'm sure the ink will sell pretty quick. Alright, on to the next item. Paid up for these. Paid $3.99. Had a CVS tag on it for $7.99, and had this Peeps tag with a $12.99. So of course I took the CVS tag off. I left this one. The only comps I could find was $21, free shipping. Apparently the blue is a rare color. They only had two, a large and a medium, and they were $3.99 a pair. So like I said, I paid up for them. These were 99 cents. Probably shouldn't have got them. The Valentine's Day plush from Walmart. Original price was only $2.98. I tore that part off that had the price on it. I don't know. Maybe I'll sell them as a pair. Like I said, probably shouldn't have got them, but I did. Alright, on to the next item. And the next and last item was 5 of these ultrasonic BBs. I only had one sold, and it sold for around $13, $14 I think, counting shipping. So I'm probably going to lot these up. Since there's 5, there'll be a lot of 2 and a lot of 3. My competition doesn't look all that fierce. There's people asking $19.99 for free shipping for one of these. So I paid $2.99 a piece for them. They only had 5, so that's how many I bought. I'm not sure if I should try these with the tag or take the tag off and just sell it as a purple plush bear, you know. The only thing the tag, you know, that lets me say new with tag, right? But if I take the tag off, it wouldn't be associated so strongly with Valentine's Day, would it? Anyway, something to consider.
Thank you! Have a good night! Man, Mountain Link has once again totally outdone himself.